Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad at home Indian style. First, boil about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast until it's fully cooked. Once cooled, shred the chicken into small, bite-sized pieces. This forms the perfect base for our flavorful salad. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients and spices for the dressing. Now, let's create the vibrant dressing. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for that authentic Indian flavor. Finally, fold in some finely chopped red onion and a generous amount of fresh cilantro. This blend will give your salad a wonderful aroma and taste. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently add the shredded chicken to the bowl with the spiced yogurt mixture. Mix thoroughly, ensuring every piece of chicken is beautifully coated with the flavorful dressing. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the chicken salad for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Your homemade Indian chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled with warm naan bread, crispy crackers, or even as a delicious sandwich filling. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. It's a refreshing and flavorful meal perfect for any occasion. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.